Hello everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. So guess what I got in the mail this week? My subscription box. Actually I got it earlier this week and I've been hanging on to it until I had a little bit of time to video because I wanted to open it with you guys and share it. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, my name is Cheri. If you love food and fun like I do, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below. You can find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. So this is my special delivery Taste of Home box. And before I open it, I just want to say it is very hard for me to objectively look at things and not compare them to a Pampered Chef product because I am a consultant. But I am a consultant because I think we have some of the best products out there. So I am going to try to be as objective as possible when I see what's in the box and not try to compare it. Because last time my daughter was here and there was, I think it was a small spatula, and what I didn't realize was it was a scraper and a spatula. And so I was like, I was comparing things. So let's just say this is an unboxing and not really a review, just to be on the safe side. Anyway, let's open it. And the other thing is, last time I said it was the fall box because I got it in September. October, November, December. Yeah, because I just got this one. So they come every 3 months and they're about, they're roughly $50 with shipping and everything, but it only comes quarterly. So every 3 months you get one. And I said it was the fall box because I got it in September. So I would be calling this one the winter box, but everybody called the other one winter. So I'm wondering if this is winter or spring. And I guess we'll be able to tell by what's in the box, or maybe not. Last year it was clear when I got it because I got two books that were, and I think I've showed them to you guys. We've been doing recipes out of them. The Taste of Home, like gifts from your kitchen, that sort of thing. And I also got like Christmas wrappers and cupcake things and stuff like that. So it was real clear. This year, I'm not sure which box was the Christmas box or the winter box. Let's see what we got. We have a 20% off, treat yourself to store-wide Taste of Home. Ooh, I got to go shopping today. So this, I usually don't open this because as soon as I do, it's going to show me everything that's in here instead of me being surprised as I go through it. You do get recipe cards. So I'll wait and I'll look at those in a second. So this is, hey, this might be helpful. Collapsible mini colander. I like this. I like this a lot because it doesn't take up much space. And so I'm going to compare again. You guys have to forgive me, but where's it at? I got a mess down here. Oh, there it is. Can you tell there's a mess down here? Anyway, I have a big collapsible steamer basket that comes with the pot. And it's a 10-quart stock pot from Pampered Chef that I absolutely love. But it's really, really big. What I need is a little one like this to have on hand that's easy to grab, and I don't have to pull the whole pot out and get that thing out of there. So here's what I use for like little stuff, and this is from Pampered Chef, but it has cracked. So what I really like, I like the fact that this is like silicone or whatever they make it out of. Perfect. I will use this a lot, so happy about that. So see, that's objective, I think. Still have my Pampered Chef. But, ooh, New England chicken stew mix. Well, this looks good. These are the kind of things I really like. I like to try different, like, spices and things like that. I think over the summertime I got, some lemon salt? Pink lemonade salt, I think, for, like, mixed drinks and stuff. Or no, it was sugar. That's what it was. Anyway, I'm excited to try that. So, New England chicken stew mix. And then we got coffee again. They've been putting coffee in every box. I'm not real happy about that. Should probably message them, tell them, stop putting me coffee in here. Put me some spices in there instead. Just because I'm not going to put this, I know you can buy like the little cups that will go in your Keurig where you can use regular ground coffee, but actually, you know what? I will use this. I'm going to use this to make cold brew coffee. That's what I'm going to do. And we have a whisk-skull. It's called a whisk-skull. A whisk with an integrated bowl scraper. Oh, this is kind of genius, I think. Let's see here. Well, I have to get some scissors to open that. But look, so it's got a little scraper. It's just like if you've seen me use my KitchenAid mixer. It came with the regular like stainless steel paddle, but then I bought an extra paddle that I guess it's steel also, but it has like a ceramic coating on the outside. And it has a scraper on it so that when I'm using my KitchenAid, I'm not having to stop all the time and scrape down the sides. It does it for me. So same thing with this whisk here. So that is pretty genius. I like that. What else do we get? Carrot silicone herb infuser. Infuser. I can't say the word. Silicone herb infuser. Infuse the flavor of herbs, spices, and more. This I have been needing for a long, long time. So I forgot what you call them, but basically if you want to add some spices or herbs to like a pot of soup or something. You can put it like in some cheesecloth and tie it up, and there's a name for that. And I've needed something like this for a long time. So I have like where you can put tea bags. And it's not tea bags, because that's why you use this thing. It's a tea steeper. I think that's what you call it. But it's only about this big, and I've always wanted something just like that, but bigger, so that I could do herbs in there. So this is perfect. Well, so far we are like, well, except for the coffee. Yeah. This is, okay, I'm going to try to be objective again. I guess this is just a vegetable peeler, but this looks like a kid's toy, and it feels like a kid's toy. I mean, it's like little and plastic and nothing like ours, but you know what? I would need to peel something with it to be able to tell you guys. And it's got a little piece of plastic on here, I think. Let's see. Let's just grab a potato. And I know you're not supposed to store your potatoes in the fridge, but I was running out of space where I normally store them, so I put some in there. And the reason for that is because of the starch in it. When it's stored at a cold temperature, it does something. I think it's to the starch, or maybe it's the sugars. I don't know. It releases something that they say is like carcinogenic, I think. I don't know. Don't quote me. I'll have to look it up. Anyway, let's give this a try and see if this is, well, it's done spun backwards on me there. Oh, it's not bad. It's kind of, yeah. Actually, I really like it. It's taking really, really thin slices, it seems like, compared to other ones I've used in the past. But maybe it just feels that way because it's so small itself. I don't know. But I'll tell you what I really do like versus this is I've started using it for everything pretty much. Where are you at? There it is. Is my serrated peeler. And I did not know for the longest time even these existed. And then Pampered Chef came out with a set, and I love these because these are good for potatoes or whatever, but they're also good for fruit. Anything that has like a really, really thin skin, this will peel it without like damaging the whole fruit, so I love it. So let's get my potato mess out of the way. Then we have Simply Baked cocktail picks. I picked up some that looked just like these at the Dollar Tree, and they were gold and silver for the holidays. So just the red, I mean, they would be good for maybe, how about save these Valentine's Day would be really good too. So they're cute, but I'm not impressed. I think the packaging is actually cuter than what the little cocktail picks are. But we'll use them. And then we have Taste of Home soups and stews. So this looks good. Oh, I usually have my camera right here so I can show you guys what the... Let's see. I moved it over here today. But all kinds of soups and stews. I'm betting there's probably a couple of recipes for some really good chilies in here too. So that's always exciting. But I think that is it. And like I said, they always put a little newsletter in here. And it talks to you, it doesn't talk to you, but it will tell you. It doesn't really tell you either, I guess. You'll read about it. You'll read that original Swiss peeler. So I had a Swiss peeler a long time ago, and it was great. But eventually it broke. I had bought two of them. They both broke over the course of, I mean, they lasted a little bit. Maybe 2 or 3 years. But I really like those serrated ones. Simply Red, Scarlet, Party Picks. Nothing new about that. Perfect size for roasting a can of beans, a pint of berries. Yeah, that's exactly what I use this one for too. Any kind of canned goods I needed to rinse, like black beans. You always want to rinse your black beans. It'll turn your recipes black if you don't, or a really mucky, yucky color. But yeah, that's what I use this for. That and like berries and that sort of thing. So this one they sent, I am extremely happy to have. The New England Chicken Stew Mix. Zero fuss. All you need is a few simple ingredients. Use rotisserie. Yes, that's always a good idea. Especially when I go to Walmart and they have the rotisserie chickens, they're like $5. If you go in the back, sometimes next to the deli, they'll have them back there. And if they were from the day before and they didn't sell, they'll have them marked down. I've gotten rotisserie chickens for like $1 something. You can take that meat off of there and freeze it. And anyway, it makes for really, really easy and quick meals. So what else does it say? Oh, it just says to pair it with a puff pastry round. That sounds good. Or biscuits. Oh, yeah, we could serve some biscuits on top. That would be good. It has some soups that go together with, says 5 perfect soup pairings. Oh, soup and sandwich combo, so it tells you about that. And that's about it. So it's really kind of hard. This is like a winter box, I think. I mean, it's soups and stews, and I don't know. We got the little carrot here. This looks kind of spring-like. Maybe it's in between. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I will put a link to a subscription box in the description below. Did I say description box? I will put a link, subscription box in the description box. Subscription description. Okay. Anyway, you guys know what I'm saying. I thank y'all so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.